Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, thanks for stopping by. If this is not your first time, thanks for stopping by as well. Make sure to hit the subscribe button before moving on if you don't want to watch this video, but if you still want to stick around and find out how I edit my YouTube videos, how I edit my Instagram pictures, then keep on watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up when you're done. It really helps a lot. So this video has come like highly requested, so that's why I'm going to be doing this video. To edit my pictures, I use so I'm just going to go to my picture editor. Okay, not now. I usually would go to my pictures, kind of like look for the picture in the folder where I saved it, and I think it was an Instagram picture. So where's my Instagram? Oh yeah, here, should be here. So I'm gonna go all the way and then search for like a really nice picture. This is nice but not all that nice. I think this is better. Yeah, this is definitely better. So I'm gonna go to share. I'm sorry you're going to be hearing like a lot of noise. I'm at work and the driver is trying to fix the car, so that's why there's noise. Anyway, oh shit, no, that's the wrong app. I'm just going to go back, go to share again, go to share, look for Airbrush. Yes, I use Airbrush to edit all my pictures rather. So it's loading. So the first thing I usually do is to crop my picture, because my pictures are usually too long, like you can see. So I like it when it's like square, like Instagram ready. So this is perfect. When I have like a bad background, I usually would go to blur and then blur the background, but since that's not the case, because my background is already dark, so you can't really even see anything behind me, I'm just going to go ahead and clear some of the pimples that I have on my face. I'm just going to really zoom in and then tap till I'm satisfied. Tap on any pimples at all. Yeah, I think this is, anyway, we're going to fix that with a smoother. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to tick that I'm done and then go to smooth, and then pick, if you want like a thicker smoother, this will give you ×2 of this. So I usually just use the single one. So what I usually do is zoom in and then smoothing out the corners of my mouth so that they look airbrushed sort of. Then I'm going to zoom out and then lightly brush my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, and my neck. Yeah. So if you notice I didn't touch my highlight, that's because if I touch it, it's going to be lesser and it's not going to be popping as how I wanted it to be. So I know that for iPhone users there's Facetune and there's an element called detail that you can use to make it sharper, but Airbrush doesn't have that. So I'm just going to skip that. Then I'm going to brighten my eyes. I don't like using this because it makes the colors like sort of too saturated or something, too sharp. I don't know how to describe. I don't know the terms. Then I'm going to touch my brows, my lips, just so that they are sharp. And yeah, I'm basically done. Times when I'm going to put like my logo, I would use my pickaxe, but because my logo is not on my phone, it's on my laptop, I'm going to skip that and then move on to save. Once that is saved, I'll go to Instagram. Instagram. Then I'll take the plus sign and select the most recent picture would definitely come up here. So this is the picture we just edited, and I want to use the multiple options, so I'm going to use these two. Then adjust. Oh, why can't I adjust this stuff? Then let me see. Yeah, this works. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to move to next, and then look at this. This is okay. There's no need for me to edit much. This is perfect. Then I'll go to next, select this. I definitely need to reduce the warmth, so I'm just going to reduce, no, increase it to 5, and yeah, I'm done. Then I'll go to next. We have to type a caption, so let's say matte or gloss. And I've linked my Facebook page to my Instagram page, so I just have to turn it on so that the post I make here would be visible on my Facebook. So once that is done, you want to tag people, but I can do that afterwards. So I'll usually just share, and that's that. So I hope you've learned one or two things from this. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you have any question, and follow me on all my social media handles. I love hearing from you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before leaving, and until my next video, love you guys, take care of yourselves, and bye.